All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Today I am sitting in a 2017 Honda Pilot, and I'm going to show you where the hidden compartments are and the slushy holders are located. Okay, so I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look down. Right here, hidden compartments. You can hide some stuff from people. Right over here, I can put a small slushy in this place right here. Really cool, really cool. We're going to move along, all right? Oh, we're going to move along. Right here, look, hiding some change in there. But guess what? Hiding some change in there. Right here, two more slushies right here. And look, I can place some things down here, but guess what? I can actually hide some stuff in there by pulling this back and putting things down in there. Really cool. And look, there's some more power outlets right here, as well as an auxiliary input. Really cool feature. I'm going to close it, and we're going to move on. Right here is the glove compartment box. We can put some things in there. And then close it up just like that. Glove compartment box. Put some slushies in there. Hide some stuff in there. Really cool. Okay, there's also some places where we can hide some stuff back in there. All right. Also, before we go, there is the sunglasses compartment.